Alright, got the fenders back from the paint man. Of course, they just done the outside. I told them I'm going to undercoat the bottom side, and I'm going to give you a little before and after kind of deal here. We're going to try to hit it with a wire brush, knock some of this rust down real good, and then prime it up and paint it up. Actually undercoat it up, but this is the good side. Put a shine on that bad boy. She gonna look good. She gonna look good. Kitty, what you doing? What you crying about? What you crying about? Crazy cat. Yep. And the local community college done that for me. Did a pretty good job, I'd have to say. For a bunch of high school kids. Give them a little credit. Alright, let me get busy. I'm losing daylight. I got the I believe it's the passenger side front fender. We're fixing to undercoat her. We got the other one done. Looks pretty good if I don't say so myself. Of course, I'm gonna say so myself, so there. But we're gonna hit this with some, I'm gonna hit it real hard with the wire brush. And I'm fixing to scrape a little more back in there where I couldn't get with the brush. And then I'm gonna hit it with some of that Rust Restore. It's pretty good stuff. Where'd I put it? It's I don't know where I put it. There it is, right there. This stuff right here is good stuff. We hit it with that. Good coat, let it dry 24, and then shoot it with some of this right here. And we're gonna get her up there. Get her done, baby. But yeah, we're gonna the Hot Wheels. I like Hot Wheels. But yep, we got her taped up, ready to shoot her down, get her good to go. But once I get her done, I'll actually go sit them both down beside each other, see which one looks better than the other. But we're just messing around tonight, nothing major, piddling around. From what I understand, dude's got my body ready. I'm securing the trailer this weekend. We're going to pick her up, and yeah, baby, we're gonna have her sitting on this chassis right here come Monday. Well, that's the plan. We'll see how that works. But right now, we gotta tackle this so we can hang them on the body when we get her. All right then. Y'all come back. It's gonna be nice. We're finna start on the back fenders, undercoating. Got them out, got the trusty wheel, gonna hit it a little bit, knock a little bit. I didn't hit it a little bit, but I'm gonna hit it a little more. Gotta get back down in them grooves there. But we're gonna tape her up and see what she does as far as we gotta get her ready to hit it with that Rust-Oleum. Where's my Rust-Oleum? Right here. A rust reformer. I squirt it on there. Let it sit about 30 minutes and then hit it with the, well, I don't have it with me. It's in yonder. But I'm gonna hit it with that undercoat, make it look brand spanking new, baby. Alright, enough talk, let's do a little work. Be back shortly. Alright guys, we've got the fenders have been done, undercoated. Pretty good. See if we can see the other side without too much trouble. Yeah, we got them. Got it looking pretty good. Get that off. Actually, leave that on there. But we're gonna. Lord, we don't want to drop it on the other ones. But it's turned out pretty good. We got them all painted up. This one here appears to have a little damage in it, but it ain't that bad. And then here's the front ones. Turned out pretty good. Got them ready to go. Now I'm gonna get in there and get some of that sound deadener done in them, and put the padding. I got one of them boots in there, but it's not fitting like it should. But she looks pretty good. Yeah, this boot here is kind of jacked up. It should be like that. But it's kind of sagging. But once that bumper bracket goes through there, I don't think it'll be moving all that much. I think it'll be alright. I think it'll be just fine. But we've got the fenders done. Now we're moving inside. I got to tear the old headliner out, put some padding up top, and we're gonna carry on. Carry on, Wayne. Peace out. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. Come to Mississippi. Come see me.